Hi everybody, this is Vasvi. Here in this video we are going to do problems with one triangle and two angles. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. So we understood the scenario, right? So the boy's height is 1.5 meter. This is the boy and the height given is 1.5 meters. And they say he is standing at a distance from 30-meter tall building. So this building, this one I take it as building. So this is 30 meters tall. So from here to here, okay, the building is totally 30 meters high. Okay. Now, the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. So as he walks towards, so earlier he was here and it was 30 degree then, it is given clearly that it was 30 degree. And as he walks towards the building, what happens? The angle is increased to 60 degree. Now it became 60 degree angle. Okay, you're done with the diagram. And what else is asked? Find the distance he walked towards the building. So this distance is what you need to find out, okay? I take this distance as x, okay, from here to here. Because here you find two right angle triangle, right? In one triangle itself, since you have two angles, you find one small triangle here and one big triangle here. The triangle is only till here, understood? The height of the triangle is only till here. So we can find this height. It is given like, the totally it is 30 meters and this till here it is 1.5 meters, right? So the balance 30 meters minus 1.5, you take away 1.5 from this, so you get 28.5 as this length, okay? Because we are concerned about only that length here for the triangle. Now, okay, to make it clear, I'll just name the triangle. I would put A, this as B, okay, and this point as C, and this as D. In triangle ABC, okay, first let me work out that. What will be my BC, the base, the distance, okay? I just take it as X for time being. So this is the adjacent side and the other one is the opposite side. So I take it as tan. So my tan 60 equals 28.5 over x, right? Do a little bit of algebra here. So I get x equals 28.5 over tan 60. You can use the calculator straight away, or you can, it is the basic angle, right? 60 is, so what is tan 60, that is root 3. So you get 28.5 over root 3. Even here you can use the calculator and get the answer. And I have used my calculator here and I got the answer as 16.45, okay? So I got my x now. Now in triangle, the next triangle is the bigger one in triangle A, B and D, okay? A, B and D. So this is your D, remember this is your D. Tan 30 would be opposite side is 28.5 over the adjacent side. The adjacent side x you got it as 16.45. This you got it as 16.45, right? This portion let us take it as y, okay, because we need the whole base. So that would be y plus 16.45. So your root 30 is 1 over root 3. Tan 30 is 1 over root 3, and this I write as it is 28.5 over y plus 16.45. So just cross multiply. So what happens? I get y plus 16.45 equals to 28.5 times root 3. Okay, now you get y plus 16.45 is equal to 49.36. Now my y would be 49.36. Take away 16.45. My y is now, that is equal to 32.91, okay, meters. Your y is the distance the boy covered, right? So the distance he walked towards the building will be y, which is 32.91 meters. So that's it. You have one more problem here. Here it says from the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower at the top of a 20-meter high building. So this is the building, okay? You have 20-meter high building, and on top of it you have a transmission tower, okay? I write it as T tower. The transmission tower is on top of it, okay? The angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of the transmission tower is 48 and 60, okay? So this must be 48, the small one should be 48, and this big angle should be 60 degrees, okay? 45 and 60 degrees, okay? Find the height of the tower. So you have to find the height of this tower. I just take it as h, okay? Now let's do the small triangle, 45-degree angle, okay? So should I name it? Okay, for convenience sake, let me name it. I would write A, B and C for the building, and A, B and D for the tower. In triangle A, B, C. Now I'm going to do the building, okay? See, you find this is 45 degree. So you needn't do much calculation. This angle is also 45, right? If this is 45, this angle also would be 45. So the base, these two sides should be the same, right? The base angles are equal. So this should be 20 here. So I got my AB as 20, okay? Since it is an isosceles triangle, isosceles right triangle, right? Comma, your base and height are the same. Base is equal to the height of the building, okay? Therefore, your AB is 20 meters. Now you got till here, AB. Now let's do the bigger triangle, okay? Triangle in triangle, A, B and D this time. You got the base, right? And you need to find the total height. Tan 60 this time, right? Because for the bigger triangle it is tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to opposite. Opposite side is, let's take the height of the, I have taken the height of the tower as h, right? And the height of the building is 20. So that would be 20 plus h. Because we have to take the whole length now. Divided by the base. Base is 20 again. So you get tan 60 is root 3, right? Root 3 equals 20 plus h divided by 20. Now apply the algebra rules. Multiply throughout by 20. So you get 20 root 3 here, and the denominator would vanish. Now you can say that your height, sorry, this is plus. So your height is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20 equals to h. Okay, h. So when I do that, do the calculator with the calculator, okay? I get my h as 14.64. Just go back. They have what have they asked? They've asked you the height of the tower alone, not the total height, right? So you got the height as h because that is what we have assumed. So you just say therefore height of the tower is equal to 14.64. Is it meters or centimeters? Yeah, meters. So you can make it as meters. Just go through again, work it out, do more problems on these type, and it would be very easy for you. Bye, take care.